Most people are doing belly fat workouts completely wrong. And the shocking part, it has nothing to do with the belly. And just like 70% of people do push ups wrong and destroy their shoulders, people mess up fat burning exercises in a way that destroys their results. So if you've been training hard but not seeing progress, stay with me. You're about to learn the truth. Hey everyone, welcome back today. I'm going to teach you the correct way to do a belly fat workout and full body routine that actually burns fat, builds strength, and protects your joints. But before we start, here's something important you need to understand, because just like push-ups, where most of the damage happens from tiny mistakes you don't even notice, your belly fat routine fails because of small form errors that change everything. And today, we fix all of them. Common mistakes. People make belly fat workouts aren't about your belly, they're about your whole body, but people still do these three things. Mistake 1, thinking more reps, faster fat loss. Wrong, you can do 100 crunches and still lose nothing. It's not about quantity, it's about quality and muscle activation. Mistake 2, no core engagement. People bend their spine instead of engaging their core. If your lower back lifts off the floor or your hips sag during planks, you're not training your abs, you're training your lower back to suffer. Mistake 3, ignoring shoulder and push-up form. Remember this, every good full body workout begins with proper upper body mechanics. If your shoulders collapse in push-ups, that same instability shows up in mountain climbers, planks, burpees, and fat and burning movement. But here's the part most trainers won't tell you. Your shoulders decide whether your ab workout is safe or damaging. Teasing the solution. I'm about to show you exactly how to engage your core, protect your shoulders, and burn fat faster. But before that, you need to understand one thing. Your body is like a house. If the foundation, your shoulders and core, is weak, everything above it collapses, and that's why your push-up form matters in a belly fat workout. So let's slowly peel back the layers. Layer 1, basic. Fixes simple, easy changes. Shoulder position, protraction versus retraction. Imagine squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades. That's retraction, imagine pushing the ground away. Like you're rounding your upper back slightly. That's protraction, correct, push-up, and plank form. Uses both start in retraction to set your shoulders. Move into gentle protraction for stability. Avoid collapsing your chest toward the floor. Avoid shrugging your shoulders to your ears. This prevents the shoulder pain. Most people blame on push-ups, when the real enemy is bad scapular control. 2, hand placement too wide. Your chest gets weaker, too narrow. Your elbows flare. Correct placement, hands directly under shoulders, fingers pointing forward, palms gripping the ground like claws. It should feel like your hands are screwing into the ground for stability. 3, core engagement, the real belly, fat secret. Your core isn't just your six-pack, it's the belt of muscles wrapping around your spine. Proper core engagement cue. Pull your ribs toward your hips. This instantly activates your entire midsection and protects your lower back. Here's another mini hook, and this one cue alone can burn more fat than doing 100 sloppy crunches. The real science. Now let's dig deeper, because this is where the magic happens. Elbow angle, protect your shoulders. Most people flare their elbows out at 90 degrees. This puts all the pressure on your shoulder joint and zero pressure on your chest. Correct angle, 30 to 45 degrees from your body. Think of your elbows pointing slightly back. Not straight out breathing technique, game changer. Exhale on the effort. Inhale on the reset. This creates thoracic stability, basically a strong upper spine which improves fat burn and muscle engagement. Myth busting, spot reduction melts belly fat. Truth. You burn fat globally, not locally. A proper belly fat workout uses compound movements, not just crunches.